So the reason that I'm very excited to share with you these 7 websites that can potentially change your life this year is that I've seen people who are making up to $500 on their first try, but also I've seen people who are getting completely free money up to $1,000 right after joining on this website. So let's dive in and see how this website works. Alright, so our very first method is called bank churning, and this is a way of receiving money from bank literally by doing nothing. And all you want to do is for you to go ahead and open a free bank account that is offering free cash bonus. So after creating your account, you can earn up to $100 up to $1,000 just by creating account on this. So I'm going to show you how are you going to find these banks that are offering free cash after creating account on these banks. All you want to do right now, you have to go to Google and search bank churning. You can see all these banks that are offering cash bonus, and after seeing these banks, as you can see on the screen here, the aim of these banks offering free money is that they need to attract new customers. They need to attract a lot of customers. That's the reason they're offering completely free money to different people around the world. So you may want to go ahead and try this bank. You can end up making up to $1,000 just after creating an account on these banks. So you have to go ahead and try, and you have to try one of these that you see on the screen. Alright, so this is our second method. This can be the easiest way for you to start making money, and the task that you're going to find on this website can be very simple. This method of making money is called Amazon Shopper Panel, and you are required to submit different receipts of your purchases on this application, and after that you can get money. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to Play Store or App Store, then you have to download this application which is called Amazon Shopper Panel. And after downloading this application, whenever you're going to supermarket or grocery store and purchase anything, make sure that you capture this receipt and you submit on this application. If you have more than 10 receipts, you can end up making more than $10. So the more receipts that you have, the more money you're just going to make on these platforms. I really encourage you to go ahead and try this method because I've seen a lot of good reviews. Many people, they say that they're really getting paid just by submitting the receipt on this platform. So you have to go ahead. It doesn't matter where you are. You can be in Africa, you can be in Europe, in America, and you can start making this kind of money. So you have to go ahead and try to see how much you're going to make out of it. Alright, so next on the list we have Survey on the Go. And this is among of the most trusted survey sites that I can recommend for you to start making money off, because I've seen good reviews and I've seen people making up to $200, from $100 to $200 every single month just by performing very simple tasks on this website. So all you want to do right now is for you to go to Google Store or App Store and download this Survey on the Go application, and after that you can start making money, and you can make up to $5 per one survey. So imagine you're just going to do more than 10 surveys every single day or 5 surveys every single day. You can end up making reasonable amount of money every single month. So I really encourage you, if you really want this money, if you really want extra money, you have to go ahead and try this Survey on the Go and see how much you're really gonna make. So this next website is going to pay you $10 up to $20 just by completing very simple tasks on this website. So I'm very excited to share with you how this is going to work. So this is how you're going to work on this website. So this website is called Perception, and on this website you will be required to test different mobile applications, but also to test different websites. And in return of your time and insight, you can get paid decent and a reasonable amount of money, because I've seen a lot of people, they say that they got paid on this application. So if you're going to work really hard and you're going to perform too many different tasks on this website, you can end up making up to $200 in 1 month. This website is going to send you email every time that there is a task for you to perform. You are going to receive this email and you'll be performing this task. In return, you can get paid right after. So you have to go ahead and try this and see how much you're really gonna make out of this. So our next website is called CashKick, and this is a very entertaining and fun way for you to start making money simply by playing games, taking surveys, but also try out different products. Just by doing that, you can end up making up to $200 per 1 month. And the good thing about this is that I've seen different people, they're making $500 on their first month on trying on this website. So just imagine the first month of you trying on this website, you can make up to $500. You can see all this proof, but also just imagine how far can you go if you're just going to dedicate your time, your effort on working hard on this website. You can make up to $1,000 or $2,000 just by doing a very simple task on this website. Just imagine, just by playing games or taking surveys, but also trying different products, you can get paid in return. So you have to go ahead and try this website to see how much you're really gonna make. Alright, so let's say that you really love listening to music, but you don't get any benefit out of it. So today I have good news, and this method is really going to pay you a reasonable amount of money just by listening to music. Alright, so I have these two websites, which is called Slice the Pie, but also songreviewer.com. This website are going to pay you just for you to review different songs on the platform. All you want to do is for you to go on this website and you have to register. You can listen to different songs and you can tell them how you feel about these songs. And the good thing about this website is that you can get paid up to $30 per 1 hour just after you listen to this song and tell them how do you feel about these songs. It's very easy and very entertaining. You can go ahead and try this website. You can see how much you're really gonna make, because I've seen people that are making up to $100 per 1 day, more than $3,000 per 1 month. So you just have to go ahead and try this and see how much you're going to make. This is our last website. This website is called SpeakRate, and this website is offering transcriptions job. You can find different jobs that is all about typing. So if you're really good at typing and you think you can apply to this job, you have to go to this website, which is called SpeakRate, and you can end up making up to $3,000 per 1 month. I've seen a lot of good reviews. I've seen a lot of people, they say that they made decent amount of money on this website. So if you're not good at typing, you have to go ahead on this website, which is called a typing test. This website is going to teach you how to type very fast. So if you're good at typing very fast, you can be able to go ahead and apply on this website, transcriptions jobs. So thanks so much, and I hope that all these websites that I've mentioned on this video are really going to help you, because these are very trusted and they are legal websites that can really pay you and they can change your life. So the good thing about this website, some of these websites really don't need like good experience. Even if you don't have any experience, you can go ahead and try and see how much you're gonna make out of this website. So thank you so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I hope to see you next time.